This question related with permutation. Question is proved that 9p3 plus 3 into 9p2 equals to 10p3. Let's start the answer. Left hand side equals to 9p3 plus 3 into 9p2. That means fractal 9 by fractal 9 minus 3 plus 3 into fractal 9 by 9 minus 2. That means fractal 9 by fractal 6 plus 3 into fractal 9 by fractal 7. That means fractal 9 by fractal 6 plus 3 into fractal 9 by 7 into fractal 6. Now fractal 9 by fractal 6 take a common. That's means 1 plus 3 by 7. That means fractal 9 by fractal 6. LCM is 7. 7 plus 3. That means fractal 9 by fractal 6 into 10 by 7. That means 10 fractal 9 by 7 fractal 6. That means fractal 10 by fractal 7. That means fractal 10 by factorial 10 minus 3. That means p10 by 3. This is the right hand side proved. Very easy. Follow each and every line and concentration with concentration. And if you have any confusion, you can comment me. I should be replied. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel.